Hello, this is LWilliams from California International University. I'm making this presentation for the staff of Springfield General Hospital on how not to make problems worse with CPOE for our company. Let's start with the agenda. We're going to first start with the introduction, which is what we are doing now. We're going to follow up with an overview of changes that our company is going to be making. We're going to do a step of we're going to discuss the steps of the change process in terms of how we're going to implement the changes. This includes the organization sequence, what we're going to do to make this as effective as possible. We're going to follow up with a Q&A in which you can ask us any questions, and then we'll do our conclusion. Let's discuss the issues with the current system. Adverse drug events, which include issues such as prescription errors and miscommunication due to similar drug names. They have been hurting and killing patients in the United States hospitals at a consistently alarming rate. It costs healthcare organizations $1 billion per year, in addition to the loss of lives. Handwritten identification is one of the most common type of error. So even though there's been a joke about how bad doctors write, the alarming thing here is that it is true that not being able to define what doctor has been signing has caused issues. Fortunately for us, there's technology available that will allow these type of issues to be alleviated. So the administrators of our organization has discussed this, and it was concluded that we're going to do a transition to utilizing a computerized physical order entry, or CPOE for short. All physical prescriptions for medication and treatments will be entered into the hospital IT network. Computer entries, including both treatment and pharmacy staffs, will be available to all staff. So it's not just going to be for administrators and managers. It's going to be for the staff, all of us. All of us are together with this, and all of us will be able to use the information. The system will catch all prescription errors, including incorrect doses, duplicate requisitions, patient allergies, adverse impact statements on multiple medications being prescribed to a patient, and the system will display the patient's complete medical history as well as the latest clinical guidelines for that treatment. So this system can be a game changer if we implement things correctly. However, proper steps need to be taken. So one thing we discussed is that the staff has to be involved with this change. So mandatory workshops for all staff will be available to discuss the utility of CPOE. We want to make sure everyone is in sync with what we're doing here, and everyone is consent to the changes we're making to our company. We're going to set a trial period for the program before full usage with a house staff group. In this way, we can figure out if there's any issues and misconceptions that may be occurring that will cause this product to be not as good as we think it would be. We're going to gather the feedback from employees and discuss results in group meetings. So we're going to make sure we communicate to one another in terms of the best way how to approach this new technology. We're going to use this feedback to recognize misconceptions and issues employees have, and we'll discuss the process of staff meetings and prepare future workshops on how to properly use CPOE. We will not implement this technology throughout the company until after the trial data showcase satisfactory results. So we're going to make sure that it's a general consensus that this is the technology that will work for us and that will get positive results, but that will help our clients and help our staff. I know you have a lot of questions, and if you have them now, you can ask them. If you want to wait until later, you know how to email us. Either way, remember that your feedback is critical for our changes. We need to do this all together. So, if there are any questions now, please do it. Otherwise, have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching.